snap on your mucky marigolds. It's that time of day. Jeepers creepers. Somebody needed to go. I noticed something really interesting about Jet the other day that I did not know. So check out her eye. She's got an orange eye on that side and a black eye on that side. Orange, black. Look at these girls. Honestly, you're going to give yourself a headache, ladies. God, that one's still warm. It feels lovely. It's 6 so far, but hopefully we'll get a few more today. Have you seen, this is what we're now keeping by our back door, some dusty old masks, just in case. These are actually Johnny's old painting ones. A box of gloves and a torch. This is our new quarantine station. It doesn't always live there. Oh, and there's some more seeds that I've got to plant as well. This used to be just full of pretty things, but now it's full of very practical quarantine items. So today I'm going to make Johnny that other egg mayo I was telling you about, the Coronation egg, which is really delicious. But I'm actually going to hard boil these eggs by one of the viewers' recommendation. She said to try steaming them. So that is what I'm going to do. Sandra, thank you for the heads up. I'd heard about oven hard boiling eggs, if that makes sense. I hadn't ever heard about steaming them, so I'm quite excited to find out if this works. Apparently when you've got a really fresh egg, and if you remember I said that they're really hard to peel, and you actually waste a fair bit of the egg. Sandra says apparently that if you steam them, so pop them in a steamer basket over boiling water, that makes them really easy to peel. How exciting! So there's my spaceship saucepan on, and I'm really going for it. So let's put them in there. Let's turn the timer on. I'm going to go 15 minutes, I think. She said 15 to 20 minutes. These eggs are quite small, so let's go 15. And let's turn that down to, what do you think? An 8. That should do it. So 15 minutes, and then let's see how these puppies peel. So I'm just going to finely dice half a white onion. Red onion is milder. So if you're going to feed this to kids and the white onion is a bit strong, you might prefer to go down the red onion route. But trust me, both are really tasty. Also going to need sultanas and curry powder. I don't have curry powder, but I do have garam masala. Also mayonnaise and salt. And I think pepper, can't remember, I need to check the recipe. And the most important ingredient in Coronation egg, believe it or not, and as weird as it sounds, it's mango chutney. Just go with me on this one, just trust me, it is freaking delicious. This is a sweet mango chutney. This would not be my favourite choice. This was a mistake. I cocked this one up. What I really like is there's a really spicy one, a hot and spicy mango chutney. Freaking delicious in this. This works, just don't add too much because you don't want a sweet egg mayo. It's just rank. I have done that before. I put way too much in once years ago and it was so sweet, it was horrible. So just go easy on this. And don't forget also your sultanas are going to add a lot of sweetness to the overall dish, so taste as you go. But if you can get a hot one or a non-sweet one, then I think you'd be better off. Alright, 15 minutes is up. I am so hopeful this works. I've just told Mum, I've just passed her, she's going up to feed the chickens. And I told her about this tip and she's really excited to see if it works too. Fingers crossed! So these eggs are, I would say, 2 days old. And look at that, Sandra, you superstar. That is so much easier. Thank you, my darling. Oh, it just goes to show how valuable the comment section on these videos are. That's brilliant. Thank you, Sandra. Before I mash these eggs up, let me just show you how perfectly that hard boiled. Great job, man. I think that might be my new favourite way of hard-boiling eggs. So just give them a good old belting with a potato masher, and then we're going to add onion, sultanas, curry powder or garam masala, black pepper, Cornish sea salt, a little bit more for good luck, mango chutney, not going to OTT on that, and then mayonnaise. Oh man, if there's one thing I have lots of, it's mayonnaise. Always buying mayonnaise with free-range eggs. Oh, that's an essential in my world. There. Now there should be a stick of celery in here as well. I'm all out of celery. I'm not going to the shop just to buy one stick of celery. Then have a little taste. That's really nice. I know it sounds weird putting mango chutney and sultanas with eggs. Just try it. Just promise me that next time you've got some eggs. I know a lot of you are struggling on the whole egg front. And I'm really sorry I'm waving my beautiful farm fresh eggs in front of your face every day. But yeah, sorry about that. Next time you get a glut of eggs though, make sure you bookmark. I'll drop the link to the recipe below. Coronation egg, absolutely delicious. And then I'm just going to pop it in a tub into the fridge. And Johnny will be very happy at lunchtime. Kind of feel like there's a change in the air today. There's no rain forecast, but it kind of feels like it could rain. So I want to get this path finished off today, as much as I can of it, and just get it all levelled out and have that a bit flatter. Once we've dug over the allotment beds, I don't like treading on them because it compacts the soil. So I've got a couple of these little stones that one of our neighbours left when they moved. Actually I've got 4 of them, so I'm going to pop 2 on each side and use them as kind of stepping stones. So rather than having to go down the path and around if you want to get out, you can just step over these couple of stones. So I'm just going to get them moved now, and then I'm digging on the path. And this is just a little bowl that we keep in this garden, just for the bees and the bugs to come and have a drink on a hot day. And I'm kind of hopeful we're going to have some beautiful hot days up ahead. And we put the stones in just so that things caught in there can climb their way out so they don't end up drowning. Give everything a good wash off. Okay, the curry plant has had it. It's in the wrong place. I never use it and I don't really want it there anymore. Well, I might have got a bit carried away with the whole weeding and path clearing today. So coming in through my pretty little fence, and then I've cleared all of this part of the path. And then I kind of continued and I cleared all of that around the side of the tunnel too. So I'm quite pleased with that. I had an audiobook playing and I was just kind of lost in it all really. It was really nice. Like I said the other day, this is south facing, this side of the polytunnel. I wouldn't bother clearing the ground on the other side because obviously that's north facing and that won't get the sun. So yeah, and I dug that little bit there out and I'm probably going to put that mint plant in that corner, I think. But I think I want to stand it on a slab so that the roots don't get into the ground. There we go, job done. Okay, before I pop home and have my tea, Mary asked me several days ago, and it's been on a list ever since, so I do try to get to your questions eventually, but Mary asked why there were pots in front of my chilli plants. Now, there is a sensible reason for this. Not so much with the chilies, but certainly with the tomatoes, and that's the 2 main crops that I grow in my little polytunnel. With a tomato, you don't want to get the leaves wet, and that's why I choose to grow tomatoes under plastic is so that I can control the moisture that lands on them, because we're very prone to blight here in the UK because we've got such a damp environment, and blight is caused on tomatoes by having water sitting on the leaves. So to combat that, whenever I plant a plant in here, either tomatoes or chilies, then I plant a pot along with it, and then I can water directly into the pot and the water goes directly to the roots, so I'm not getting the leaves wet. And that doesn't matter with chilies, they don't get blight, so it's not a problem. But the second reason that I do it is the polytunnel gets really, really hot in the summer. And it's just a way to make sure that I'm not just watering all of this and making this damp, but I'm actually getting the water where it needs to be, which is down at the root ball. So there you go, Mary. I hope that answered your question. What are you doing in there, Sassy? Why are you in the chicken run? You're a funny girl. Come on, time for a cuppa. Alrighty, I am currently cooking my tea. I'm going to have a piece of toast and I'm going to eat that monster egg, which I'm hoping is the double yolker. And unfortunately, I've also cracked that one. If that is a double yolker, I don't really want to be eating 3 eggs. So, but I definitely want that, which is really naughty because it was only laid yesterday. That one's older and it's cracked. I should eat the white one. Oh, now I'm feeling bad for not eating the white one. Oh, dang it. Anyway, while I'm cooking tea, this is my mate Hugh. He's on YouTube. I'll leave a link to him below. You know I'm gonna. And in today's video, he's making damn hand sanitizer, man. Can you believe it? This guy is in his shed making hand sanitizer. You need to go and watch this video. He's very cool. He made soap last week. Wicked. Go and check out Hugh. Say hi from me. Right, I think my toast is done. I'm going to get this egg on. Fingers crossed it's a doubly. Alrighty, I've just put a little bit of lard on there. That's my homemade lard. And let's see what we've got in this egg. Oh, it's a double yolker. I don't know why. That always makes me so happy to get a double yolker. You're more likely to get these from young chickens. It's all to do with how the egg passes through a chicken. Actually, let's not go into details when I'm about to eat my tea. Maybe one day we'll sit down and we'll have that chat about how a double yolker happens. But today, I'm just going to enjoy my dinner. Now, even though I like my egg to be nice and intact like that, what I don't like is for that slime to not be cooked. So I try and drag that off my yolks like that. It just helps the egg cook a little bit quicker and more thoroughly. Oh, ding dingity dong, get in my belly. Hey, sweet girl. Are we racing? I think I'm winning. It's not often I get to win a race. Oh, heck, they're all at it now, look. Oh, it's the food lady. I'm just going to go and pick up their eggs. Oh, hi. Hi there. I'm stealing all your eggs. Is that okay? Are you my sweet girls? Oh, hi. Oh, hi there. I'd like to think you're enjoying that, but I know better. Oh, no. This is not where chickens come, is it? No, I don't think so. Oh, yes, you can go in the bucket, but you can't come out here. Okay? What's that? You will literally peck anything. These are the new girls and they are so inquisitive. Anyway, I need to shut them in now because they're going to escape. No one wants to be running around after chickens, trust me. So that's it for today, lovely people. I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog of our little farm in Cornwall. I'll see you in the next video, and before then I'll catch you down in the comments. Stay safe and look after each other. Take care. Okay, so this video was finished. However, my neighbours have just dropped this round. They run the Thai restaurant in my local town called Ocean and Earth, and Duan, the wife, her cooking is just out of this world. Obviously, they've had to shut the restaurant down, but she can't help but cook for people. So she's just delivered this hot meal round, and I've just eaten egg on toast. But do you know what? I ain't turning up this opportunity to eat Duane's cooking because she's the best cook ever. No idea what this is. Those look like hard-boiled eggs, a meat, a sauce, a spicy sauce and some rice. Johnny's still out in the garage, so I'll leave him some, I guess, if he's lucky.